Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be solving this problem called same trees from the LeetCode July challenge. So let's see what this problem says. Given two binary trees, write a function to check if they are exactly same or not. So two binary trees are considered as same if they are structurally and identically having same nodes with same values. Okay, so let's see one example here. 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Here we can see all the node values and also the structure of the tree is same, so it is returning true. Here we can see the values are actually same, but the structure is different because 2 is in the left side of 1, here 2 is in the right side, so it should return false. And in this example we see that the structure is same, but we see that the values are not same. Like these are the two mirror images of each other, so they are not same trees. So we have to write a function, this same tree function, which should return a boolean value, and we are given two tree nodes, one is p and one is q, and we have to say if they are exactly same or not. So how can we exactly solve this problem? So let's go to the whiteboard and let's see how we can solve it.
So now we will be seeing some examples to see when two trees are exactly same. So as given in the question, we are given with two nodes. One is called S, another one is called T. So this is of tree number 1, tree 1, and this is the root of tree 2. So we have to check and find if these two trees are equal or not. So how can we do that? So let me just draw some trees for now. So let's say this is one tree. So this is one tree, and another tree is this, like this. So when can we say these two trees are exactly same? Whenever all the values of this node, then these two nodes, and these two nodes, and all the other corresponding nodes over here are exactly same. If any one of the node differs from other, then we can say these two trees are not equal. So let's just go into some other cases. Like let's say whenever we have one tree over here like this. Let me draw some small trees. One tree is like this, and this is tree 1, and we have nothing but a null node over here. This itself is tree 2. So can we say this one and this one are equal? Because here we have a node, this node, but here we having just a null node. So this means what? They are not same. So first of all we have to check if in between the given two nodes, one is P and another one is S, if any one of them is null, either this one is null or either this one is null, then we have to check one another condition. Can you think of one condition where if any one of these is null, then also they will be equal? There will be only one condition where if any one of these is null, still both of the trees will be equal, is when both of them are null. Let's say null is T1 and null is T2. Only in this case, if they both are null, then they are equal. If they both are null, then they are equal. So we have to first explicitly check if any one of them is null. We have to check if the other one is null or not. If both of them are null, then only they are same, or unless they are not same. So this is our first condition. So okay, this makes complete sense. Now let's check the other condition. So now, as I have drawn, let's say two of the trees having exact same structure. Like let me draw 1, 2, 3. Here also the tree having the same structure, but the difference is the values. Like 3 over here and 2 over here. So are they same? No, they are obviously not same. First of all we have to check this value and this value. Okay, they are matching. So our recursive code will be something like we will be first checking if both of the trees are not null, then first we will check each node if their values are equal and their whole left subtree and their whole right subtrees are equal or not. In this case, these two are not equal and these two also are not equal. So this means what? They are not same. So let me draw an example where they are exactly equal. So one example would be like here 1, 2, let's say 3, here 4 and here 5, and we have same exact tree over here 2, 3, 4, another 5. So let me change the color a bit. Okay, so we will do a recursive function where first of all we are checking if this node and this node, they are the root nodes given to the function, if they are both not null. Yes, they are both not null. So first we will check if the values of them are matching or not. Yes, matching. One is here and another one is here, so they are matching. Then we recursively call to their left subtrees. So their left subtrees are giving the same value because here is 2, here is 2, and they will also give the same exact value for the recursion call of their right subtree also. In the right subtree also they are exactly having same 3 and 3 matching, 4 and 4 matching, 5 and 5 matching. So this means what? These two trees are exactly same. So our function would return true. So this is how this should be our approach, how we will be solving this problem. So let me just recap and once again tell you how we are going to solve this. So first of all we would do what? First point would be check for null. Check for null. So first of all we will be checking for null. If both of them are not null, then we will be checking for the value. Then we will be checking for values. Check for values and left and right subtree. Right subtree. So this is the one condition where both of them are not null. And if there is a case where both of them, one of them is null, if one is null, then we will check if both is null or not. If both null, then only same, else not. So these are the three conditions we will look into. So let's see and go to the code editor and see how we can code this.
So as I explained in the whiteboard, so let's just code it over here. Let's code the example I have given over here over the whiteboard. So first condition which we are going to check is, as I have told also in the whiteboard, if any one of the nodes is null or not. So null is equivalent to none in Python, as you all know. So if p is none or q is equal to none, then what we will do is, then we will check if both of them are none or null, then only it will be true. So we will be do what? If p is equal to none and q is equal to none. So this line basically means if both of them are none, then only returning true, or if anyone is none and another one is not none, then it will be false. Okay, so now comes the else part. So what will be in the else part? So here we don't need a else, we have to check another if. If now p is not equal to none and also q is not equal to none, which means what? Both the trees are existing and having some values. So then we will check for exactly three conditions. One is if both of the nodes are having same value, and if the left subtree of one tree is exactly same as left subtree of another tree, and also same right subtree of one tree is same as another right subtree. So we will be checking those three conditions over here. So return, let's see, first checking if p dot val is equal to q dot val or not. Then and we will be calling this is same function for the left subtree recursively. Control Z, Control C, and over here self dot control V is same p dot left comma q dot left. It is for the left subtree and self dot control V P dot right comma Q dot right. It is for the right subtree. So this is checking if the current node values are equal and if the left subtree is same for both tree and if the right subtree is same for both trees. So this is pretty much is the code. So let's run it and see if it's working or not. Running the code, as you can see, it's giving the correct answer, and let's just submit it. Okay, as you can see, it's accepted. So let's just check the details over here. So you can see it all passed all the test cases. So as you can see, it is running in order of n time complexity, and it is also using order of n space complexity because of the recursion stack. And why is it in order of n time complexity? Because we are traversing through each node only once in both the trees. So this is how we have to solve this problem called same trees. So this problem can also be called as check if two trees are identical or not. So this is my solution. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it.